Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is Anime Media. If you like anime, this channel is for you. Video we will talk about Hakurou, skills and abilities. Hakurou, an elderly sword master whose skills was already legendary even as an unnamed ogre. After being accepted and named by Rimuru, he gets even stronger. Hakurou is usually calm, although he is at the age to be someone's grandpa. His spirit is clearly years younger. He is able to correctly identify the skills Rimuru uses to incapacitate Kurobi, Shun, and Sui, and the monster they originate from just by seeing them used once.
エビロンの風の真一息、ブラックスパイダーの年始行使、アーマーサウルスの身体装甲。他にも多数の魔物の技を体得しているやもしれません。ご油断召されるな、若。
He trains Tempest warriors, including Rimuru himself, in swordsmanship and is notoriously strict at that. Hakurou is the descendant of the master swordsman Arika Byakuya. He was the Ogre tribe's martial instructor and the strongest swordsman of the royal guard. He is also the one that trained Gazelle Duargo in his swordsmanship 300 years ago. Despite ogres only having an average lifespan of about 100 years, Hakurou miraculously managed to live for over 300 years as an ogre, before meeting Rimuru and extending his lifespan through evolution into a kaijin. Hakurou is a master swordsman. Having blemishly strength, he is able to match his present and body temperature. His perception ability is accelerated by 1,000 times via thought acceleration that he gained from Rimuru when being named. Hakurou was granted the title of instructor by Rimuru. Magical energy escaped from Hakurou's body mixed with that of his surroundings and then reassembled. The amount of energy in his body did not change. However, its quality did. The middle-aged kaijin was reinvigorated, giving him the look of being in the prime of his life. His arts are battle wheel, model wheel, and form hide. His unique skills are martial master, heaven gaze, thought acceleration, ultra acceleration, foresight, mystery. His extra skills are magic sense, multi-layer barrier, and steel strength. Common skills: coercion, resistances, abnormal condition, nullification, and spiritual attack resistance. Equipment use: Hakurou received a katana shaped like a cane forged by Kurobi. Thank you for watching.